everyone, my name's Rowley Armstrong and I'm a lecturer in chemistry at Newcastle University. I'm here today to talk about Pancake Day and to talk about how the science of pancakes makes them taste so delicious. First, what makes the pancakes fluffy is the baking powder. The baking powder acts as a leavening agent, which means it adds bubbles of gas to the dough. Baking powder actually contains a mixture of two things. The first is a base, for example sodium bicarbonate, and the second is a weak acid. When the mixture is dry, nothing happens, but when we add a liquid, a chemical reaction happens to make bubbles of carbon dioxide gas. Now let's make our batter. Now let's have a close look at the reaction of our batter in the presence of heat. You can see that the pancake slowly turns a beautiful golden colour. What's happening now is something called the Maillard reaction, which is a chemical reaction that takes place between the nitrogen atoms of amino acids from proteins and the carbon and oxygen atoms from sugars. This produces a complicated mixture of many different molecules that gives our pancake its distinctive taste and smell. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Now it's your turn to make your own pancakes.